For many centuries, people of China used green tea for treating various diseases. However, with the advancement of time, today people of the West use green tea, realizing its several benefits. Green tea has long been esteemed in China for its involvement in good health. The fame of green tea in the United States persists to develop, viewing that green tea as an innate foundation of antioxidants. These antioxidants aid defend the body from accelerating aging and augmented danger of ailments. Years of research reveal that green tea restrains the expansion of objectionable cell colonies, thus building it the healthiest tea obtainable. Let us take a look at the benefits of green tea. Green tea has many health benefits, and it can be used for the avoidance of diseases: cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, high cholesterol, cardiovascular disease, cataracts, infection, and impaired immune function. Green tea helps in weight loss course. The green tea leaves augment metabolism in the body, therefore consumption green tea helps you burn more calories. Green tea has the capability to fight bacteria, and this can be counted as one of the chief benefits of green tea. This boosts your immune system, thereby increasing the resistance power. It also helps kill bacteria that cause plaque and succeeding tooth decay. Green tea can help to fight food poisoning. In addition, green tea can help to lessen blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels in your blood. Also, green tea helps in getting rid of bad breath. Some element is present in green tea that stunts the growth of bad odor-causing bacteria. Therefore, a cup or two of green regularly can help in maintaining fresh breath. If you are a chain smoker and also you consume around 6 cups of green tea a day, then the propensity of risk caused due to the toxins emitted by cigarette smoke is reduced to a great extent. Green tea also contributes to maintaining your beauty. With the help of green tea, you can freshen up your face and apply around your tired eyes to get the soothing feeling. If you have freckles or blemishes on your face, you can apply the green tea to get rid of the spots. The green tea also has benefits for antiseptic purposes. It can be used to treat minor cuts, rashes, and also can be treated to cure sunburn. Green tea is organically grown, and the customary drying method used with green tea prevents the tea from the harmful effects of fermentation. Products of green tea are available in different strength levels. Some supplements are comprised of low strengths of the active polyphones, whereas others go as far as using unstandardized green tea leaf powder. It has been confirmed that green tea is stuffed with health benefits. It acts as an influential antioxidant, which has been identified to assist prevent cancer, pull through from the harmful cholesterol, and guard against harm caused by free radicals. It has been reported by the National Cancer Institute that green tea has cancer-avoiding aptitudes and components for fighting against insert fresh life to the market. People who have depended on costly antioxidant products are finding that green tea is very cost-effective and organic. Tea is one of the foremost selling fresh drinks, only after water. However, you manage to incorporate green tea in your diet, as well as it on a standard basis, will help you receive the utmost results. Put in green tea to a vigorous, balanced diet and exercise schedule for general fitness. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now.